welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make puffed rice or Pori Pakoda. This is a very delicious and an instant snack recipe. You can easily make your kids go with some healthy puffed rice. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of puffed rice, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, few curry leaves chopped, few coriander leaves chopped, 3 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix all the ingredients well with your hand. Add little water at a time and mix it well. You need to mash all the ingredients well so that the flavors of the onion, curry leaves and the spices come together very well. Now the ingredients have come together very well, so pull out a small portion and keep it ready. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is hot, add the pakodas one by one. Fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 more minutes in medium flame. Now the oil bubbles have settled and the pakodas are nice and crispy, so let's now remove them. Now a delicious puffed rice pakoda is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, crispy, easy and an instant snack recipe. So do try this puffed rice pakoda recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.